my god, it's so heavy. This is like, actually, it's so low, it's confidence inspiring. Oh, it's got auto height for short people like my ass. Some modes, we got road, dynamic, enduro, eco, rain, road. Let's do eco, let's see how eco is. It's very soft in eco. Oh, 9. Dude, the QS or the auto blip is even smoother on this thing. I can't believe that. Oh, I stalled this one of all of them. The gearbox is so solid, dude. Dude, I like the DS, man. I understand. I really understand now. Wonderful, man. You got a nice amount of weight. Like out here, it's kind of in the middle, so that it kind of pivots on that point a lot easier. It's so nice. Oh, I hear a fan going off now. All right, what options do I have in here? Oh, that is too much. Oh, that is too many options now. Oh no, Enduro has no traction control. I'm gonna leave that on. Menu. Oh, we've got navigation, sport mode. Yeah, actually, I'll just take that. How do I... I'll go back to the menu. I want my menu to come back. There it is. Amy's back. Amy's back. My biggest gripe is really just these turn signals. They don't feel like you're hitting anything. Getting a little warm on the DS though. Just right behind my left heel, it's kind of warm. Oh, there it is. There it is. What you doing, Bronco friend? You trying to make us slip through? Appreciate that, man. Hey, is that an Eldo? It is an Eldo. DeVille. That man gets bitches. I like how the suspension feels. It's not too soft, not too hard. But I also feel like I could still maneuver this in very heavy situations. Like I like how it's balanced. Yes, queen. Yes, mommy. Oh, dude, it's firm. It's like super firm when it's like at stop. That's legit. The suspension, the electronic suspension on this, it's like it's lower. It lowers itself and it's like super stiff. So I feel like super planted on it. Not a slow bike like anything. It's got a dashboard. That's nice.